In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. You can basically adjust the display settings. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your settings, right? So these are settings, right? If you love to change your wallpaper on your iPhone, just scroll down, click on this wallpaper, right? Right now, this is our current wallpaper, right? So if you click on this right here, you're gonna see some options from the photo shuffle, live photo, emoji. So you can come on and select anyone you want. Let's say if I click on this emoji right now, you're gonna be given 6 emojis to mix, right? So if I mix this with, it's currently 6, right? So this is how it's gonna appear. So you can still do that with love. So if I click on this, I think okay, I'm gonna go back. I'll click on love. Let me say love, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is basically how you can do this. And if you have some important and some cool wallpapers on your device you love to use for this, just click on the photos right here. Once you click on it, you're gonna select any one of your choice, right? Then once you're done, just click on the save and everything is gonna work through for you. So this is basically how you can do this on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.